There's the magic Rotovac 360 XL at work. This is a filthy, nasty olefin carpet that sits outside this restaurant kitchen. We're inside cleaning the clubhouse. It's a nice golf course. They asked us to do just in their words, a lickety split over this olefin rug that's just coated with blacktop and kitchen grease. It's so lickety split, to be honest with you. We didn't even vacuum it for fear it just funk up our Kirby. What'd you pre-spray it with? Flex?
Flex and a little bit of booster.
Flex and some oxygen booster. But I think that speaks for itself, how effective a rotary extractor is. Wow. Who knew, huh?
Leave it like that.
Huh?
Just leave it with the clean section in the middle.
What do you think? Look a little better? We've had the XL for, geez, how long we've had this thing now?
A year, maybe?
I don't think it's been a year.
8 months.
8 months, a year, something. Yeah, it's so much better than the little guy, in my opinion. It's got way more authority the way it handles, and no streaking. Cleans deeper, I feel, with the weight. Don't miss the power or the speed adjustment whatsoever. We're just totally in love with this thing, as you can see why.